Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Google search history automatically. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is open up the browser and then navigate to the Google Activity Control page. So this is right over here, myactivity.google.com/myactivity. Now, what we need to do is sign into your Google account if it's needed. Now, the second thing is that you need to locate the web and app activity section, which you see it right over here. So click on this one here, just like that. And now you will see here that what you need to do is click on or tap choose an auto delete option. If it's currently turned off. If it's on, then it's no big deal. Then what we need to do is select the checkbox for auto delete activity than older than, and then you will choose it. Preferred retention time frame from the drop down menu right over here. So you will click right over here at the bottom, and then you will choose here these 3 months. So 3 months, 8 months, and 18 months, and 36 months, just like that. So let's say it's 3 months, and then just click next. This is confirm, just like that. All right, and yeah, clicks next, and then you will just confirm it and save your preferences. And yeah, this is pretty much everything what you need to do to accomplish to delete your Google search history automatically. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next